Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, which make my life more simple. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm back. Cheers to my past.
Today is week 2 of my fishing series where I go and try to find some new spots to fish. And this week we are headed to the Animas River. It's right outside of Durango, Colorado. It's about 45 minutes away from me. And yeah, we're gonna be scoping out the 5 fishing access points on the Southern Ute Indian Reservation. And it looked like there was 5 fishing accesses. So we're gonna go check out. I think we're gonna check out 1 or 2 of them and probably do a little fishing, just because the last trip I just showed the access points and I didn't really fish that much. But today I'm gonna try to catch a fish. And yeah, it's a nice day. And yeah. Anyway, I'll show you a map of where I'm going. The first spot looks like it's right under a bridge, right next to a bridge. So that's the first spot I'm going to go to. I did bring my rubber boots just in case I want to walk out into the water a little bit. And yeah, I'll see you there. This first spot is called Weasel Skin Bridge. That's kind of a funny name, Weasel Skin Bridge. And this was a nice spot. I actually caught quite a few little small rainbows. They were really small though. But yeah, this first spot was pretty nice. You can see you can kind of walk out on this gravel and it gets deeper on that far side. This next spot is called Ghost Canyon North. And this was actually a nice spot too, and I did catch some small rainbows in this spot too. And yeah, this wasn't a bad spot. It had some nice holes in it, and you could kind of just cast out over the rocks and let your lure kind of float past into these little holes. Huge fish alert. Look at that big fish. Anyway, yeah, this was a nice spot. Very peaceful, no one around. It was the water was really nice temperature. This next spot is called Ghost Canyon South. So the second spot was Ghost Canyon North, and this one is Ghost Canyon South. I didn't catch any big fish actually. I caught a bunch of these little small. They looked like little rainbows, but they were only like 5 or 6 inches long. They were really small. But it was a beautiful day, and all these spots are nice spots. Like I said, this next spot right here is La Posta. This was a nice spot too. It was a little deeper. They had some holes in there. This last spot is called High Flume Canyon, and although it was really nice, it was hard to get to the good spots with your fishing rod. I don't know why my video camera actually froze right here. And it was really muddy. Just to get out to a deep spot where you could fish, you had to walk through a bunch of mud. I wouldn't recommend this spot. But yeah, anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Later.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, which make my life more simple. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have.